There are a lot of banks here today from a variety of different organizations, all the way from your smaller banks all the way up to your large corporates. And I think the diversity that's represented is really healthy to be able to have important conversations.
Having such a large event closely located to one of the leading financial centres in the globe is a great opportunity for a lot of people to come together and to connect.
Banking transformation means to me doing things differently, thinking differently, and breaking out of the mould of the old ways.
So I think in terms of transformation, we need to transform the way we speak about banking. We need to put the customer at the very heart of it, and we need to understand exactly what they want, and we need to deliver against their expectations.
Banking Transformation Summit as an organization is really looking at how they can facilitate those conversations. And really that's what's needed in this fast-paced digital world, is time and space to tackle some of the future challenges.